In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a fade in and fade out in Cakewalk next. Now to do this, you first want to select the audio clip you want to fade in and fade out. And then from here, if I zoom in a bit more, there we go, you're going to see at the top left, there's going to be like this kind of a square over here. So if you click on that and drag it towards the inwards, just like this, so make sure you actually hit it and then drag it like that, it's going to do a fade in, okay? Just like this. Make sure you actually do hit this square, because if you don't, you're just going to be extending audio. It may be a bit hard. Just try again and it's going to work. And then over here on the right, you can also see the same thing. Wait for kind of this hand to show and then click and drag towards the left, and that's going to be a fade out. So that's how it's going to now sound. This is actually just me speaking. This is just some sample audio we're going to use for this tutorial, and I do hope it helps you out. So as you're able to hear, of course, the fade in took effect and the fade out is there as well. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.